Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to install apps that waiting for Wi-Fi on the Google Play Store on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel confused, because if you want to install any apps on your Google Play Store on your cell phone, there will be a word that your Google Play Store is still waiting for Wi-Fi to download it. So don't need to be worried guys, don't need to be panic, because I'll give you a tutorial on how to fix it and overcome it. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to Google Play Store on your cell phone. And then for example, I will install this one, and as you can see, there's a word waiting for Wi-Fi. And to overcome this, now you can click on the account, and then now you can go to settings menu. And then now you can go to network preferences and go to app download preference. And you can change from over network Wi-Fi to over any network. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.